Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales showing you our Chevy K10 here. 350 automatic, power steering, power brakes, four-wheel drive short box. So just in its patina. So this is a project, run and drive the way it is, or take it to the next level and turn it into a $60,000 to $100,000 truck, just depending on what you want to do. Real four-wheel drive, cab hasn't been changed. A lot of these have been, not a big deal, but I have some that have been changed, and but this one hasn't been, so it's a real four-wheel drive, real short box. As you can see from the picture underneath, the frame on the right side has had some repair, so notice that picture. And from underneath you can see that the inner rockers are in a little tough shape. They're going to need a little work right in here, but the cab mounts are good on both sides. So interior is complete, needs to be done. Just a standard interior, no air. Doors shut good. No rust for the most part. I mean, look, I'm tugging on the box here now. Got a little Mondo in here. Them are bugs on it. We hauled it backwards. Bed looks good. Tailgate's got a little bow in it. Gonna need a little work on the bed here, and of course I gotta get rid of them deals. A little ding right there. Like I said, nice clean truck. As far as got a little mud down there, and definitely some mud in the door. You probably want to replace that door. But the outer rockers, this one's a little crunch, so you're gonna need some work there. So you can see another picture, but it does have its tag in here, but can't read it. So, but a blue truck, and a truck that would look really cool done. So, and sky's the limit, whether you want to go LS or just freshen it up from what it is right now. It runs and drives pretty good. So 605-695-7391.